Say, hi, Mommy. Oh, I'm looking at the big X.
Are you standing up? Oh, boop. Boop, boop. And
She's not even trying.
you're not even trying. You're just. I get the video out, so you're just gonna fall over every time now.
That's a fun game too, huh? Ready? 1, 2. She's already like let go. Boop. That's a big X.
Nana got you that X. It's big and it's not stable.
No, when you hit your face on it, it's probably actually gonna hurt, unlike the cushions of the
Of the chair.
Boop. Good landing. You stuck the landing.